Hi everyone, welcome back to another very important session of linguistic, and we were doing linguistic series. This is our second last question of this series, and we are doing IIT Guwahati 2026 paper of linguistic, and quite a number of questions we have solved till now, and I hope that you are watching those videos, you are learning from these videos, and most importantly your doubts, your questions are clarified through our videos, and that are helping you in your progress, in your academic growth rather, or rather your GATE preparation. So this is another one. So I always tell you before or at the end of the video that if you face some doubt after watching our videos, you can comment us, you can always ask us what are the questions you want us to solve, what are the papers or which year paper you want us to solve. We will obviously do that for you so that your preparations remains just at sharp at point and you do not lag behind. Okay, and you can call us at this number 90623951123, and you can avail for study materials, sit for our mock test series and join our doubt clearing sessions. Now let's focus on the question. Which of the following statements about the human auditory system is or are correct? Sound waves are converted to mechanical movements in the inner ear. Organ of Corti is located in the inner ear. The middle bone in the middle ear is called incus. Tympanic membrane is also known as the oval window. Tell me. Phonetics and physiology questions, very important. See, for understanding this journey of sound, right? Journey of sound. For example, sound travels like this: outer ear, outer ear is for collect sound, collecting sound, collect sounds. Then comes middle ear. And over here converts sound waves into mechanical vibration. Okay, converts into mechanical vibration. I guess so there will be a power cut in my place because it's raining profusely now. It's called ossicles. Can you hear the thunder? Ossicles. Number 3 is about the inner ear. And over here it's the cochlea or kekla, kalki cochlea. I used to call it cochlea because it's very easy to remember. I don't care about my pronunciation because nobody will give me a single point for me pronouncing it correctly in the exam hall. Okay, converts vibrations into neural signals. Clear? This much is done. Okay, now sound, first is sound, then comes vibration, and then comes nerve signal. Coming to the concept or the theme of this is about outer is for collection, middle is for mechanical amplification, that we have learned. Okay, so outer is for collection, middle is for mechanical, and it's for mechanical amplification, right? Amplification. Got it. And inner is for converting or sensory conversion, sensory. We can say sensory. Coming to this part, option A, sound waves are converted to mechanical movements in the inner ear. No, this is incorrect. Why? This happens in the middle ear, not the inner ear. Basically, this happens in the middle ear, not inner. And then it's the basically ossicles or the malleus, incus, stapes. They do this job. Understood? They do this job. Coming to the point B or option B, organ of Corti is located in the inner ear. This is correct. This is correct. Found inside cochlea or cochlea, inner ear. And responsible for hearing. Is sensory transduction. Okay. So, organ of Corti is equal to where sound becomes nerve signal. So, it becomes organ of Corti means when sound becomes nerve signal. Then comes C, middle bone in middle ear is incus. Middle bone and middle bone in middle ear is incus, is called incus. This is correct. Why? There are three bones that we talked about, malleus, this is hammer, incus. Let me give it to you. First, okay, and this is hammer. Then comes incus. This is middle or anvil, we can say. Then comes steps, which means it is stirrup. Okay. Next is tympanic membrane is also known as the oval window. This is wrong. Tympanic membrane means the eardrum. Tympanic membrane equals to eardrum. It means eardrum. What's just a minute. It's eardrum. Oval window is equal to separate structure connecting to inner ear. It means separate. Oval window is a separate structure connected to inner ear. So, now you have to say these things, your ear has a mini machine basically. So, hammer does what? It hits. It hits. Okay, it's a mini machine. Anvil does what? It pause. And stirrup does what? It pushes. Okay. Now, and deep inside the cochlea translates vibration into electricity. So hearing is not just listening, it is mechanical engineering plus biology. Okay, basically hearing is a mechanical engineering. Okay. Now coming to cochlear or cochlear, it is the fluid filled spiral. Fluid filled spiral. And then we have got hair cells. Hair cells, which means convert movement to neural impulses. It convert movement to neural impulses. Clear? So the ear is where physics meets perception, almost like that. So we have learned about it in depth, and we have given every possible explanation required, every possible explanation against every options also. Okay, the options which are correct, the options which are wrong, everything has been critically analyzed and studied. Now there is nothing more to learn over here. Even if that happens, that after learning or after watching this video feel some doubts are still there, you can always contact us. Okay, the number is given in the screen and you can approach us for your help. Now I must suggest that you should sit for mock test, because simulation is very much needed. That is why it is given, the mock test series are going on, and you can join us. And before I say anything, please like our video, share our video with your co-aspirants. Okay, let's end this video over here and see you later in my next class. Bye bye, take care.